Hi guys, welcome to today's session. Thank you all for your responses on yesterday. And our yesterday's quiz question was Niti Pass joins which state of India with Tibet? And the answer is it is Uttarakhand. Niti Pass joins Uttarakhand with Tibet. This also remains snow covered during the winter season. That is a specialty. So let's now start today's session. First question for the day. Adirapalli hydroelectric project often seen in the news is in which among the following states? Option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Kerala and option D Karnataka. Is the correct answer here is it is option C Kerala. The total installed capacity of Adirapalli hydroelectric project is 163 megawatt and Kerala government has given no objection certificate to Kerala State Electricity Board for a period of 7 years and has permitted it to proceed with the project's implementation. Recently, the Kerala government has approved the proposed Adirapalli hydroelectric project. It is on the Chalakudi River in Thrissur district of the state, and there are already 5 dams for power and 1 for irrigation, and it will be the 7th along the 145-kilometer course of Chalakudi River. And this river originates from Anamalai region of Tamil Nadu. It is the 4th longest river in Kerala and one of the very few rivers of Kerala which is having relics of riparian vegetation in a substantial level. So that is about Adirapalli hydroelectric project. Let's now move to second question. Second question is which among the following statements are true with regard to transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019. Statement 1. The Act is silent on granting reservations to transgender persons. Statement 2. It has prescribed punishments for organized begging. Statement 3. It mentions punishments for rape or sexual assault of transgender persons. Select the correct answer using the calls given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. Guys, the correct answer here is it is option A 1 and 2 only. The Parliament passed the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Bill 2019 last year. The Act defines a transgender person as one whose gender does not match the gender assigned at birth. It includes trans men and trans women, persons with intersex variations, gender cues, and persons with socio-cultural identities such as Kinnar and Hijra. It has prescribed punishments for organized begging. It doesn't provide for reservation. It also does not mention any punishments for rape or sexual assault of transgender persons as according to section 375 and 376 of IPC. Rape is only when a man forcefully enters a woman, and this act also does not mention any punishments for rape or sexual assault of TG persons. It calls for establishing a National Council for Transgender Persons, that is NCT. And guys, our today's quiz question is this only. Who is the chairperson of National Council for Transgender Persons? So please post your answers in the comment section. We will now move to last question for the day. Last question is with reference to H9N2 recently seen in the news. Consider the following statement. Statement 1, it is a subtype of influenza A virus. Statement 2, H9N2 virus are found in wild birds in Africa only. Statement 3, India has reported the first case of infection recently. Which of the above statements is are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 1 and 3 only, option C 1, 2 and 3, and option D 3 only. Guys, the correct answer here is it is 1 and 3 only. H9N2 is a subtype of influenza A virus which causes human influenza as well as bird flu. And H9N2 subtype was isolated for the first time in Wisconsin, which is in US in 1966 from turkey flocks. And this virus are found worldwide in wild birds and are endemic in poultry in many areas. And these infections in human are rare but likely underreported due to typically mild symptoms of infections. Cases of human infection have been observed in Hong Kong, China, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Egypt. The first case globally was reported from Hong Kong in 1998, and this H9N2 viruses could potentially play a major role in the emergence of a next influenza pandemic. According to WHO, with avian influenza viruses circulating in poultry, there is a risk for sporadic infection and small clusters of human cases due to exposure to infected poultry and contaminated environments. And Indian scientists have detected the country's first case of infection with a rare variant of H9N2 virus that causes this avian influenza. Very recently, it is detected. That's why this question is asked. That's all for today, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another set of questions. Please post answer to the quiz question and your scores in the comment section. Thank you for watching.